President Herbert Hoover returns to Washington after a 35,000-mile presidential mission. Secretary of Agriculture Anderson welcomes him back to the American capital. At the request of President Truman, Mr. Hoover made a worldwide survey of the needs of famine-stricken countries and the ability of other countries to aid them. At the White House, Hoover reports to the President. The world's grain supplies are 3.5 million tons short of the volume needed to prevent one of the worst famines in man's history. And in Poland, supplies from UNRWA arrived to ease the serious needs. Tons of foodstuff and clothing from America are distributed. Typical of thousands is this youngster, who hasn't had enough to wear for years. A little extra food above the meager ration brings a little happiness to a hungry child. Fed and in their new clothes, these members of the younger generation look to the future with new hope.